Are you looking for online business ideas to earn extra income from? The internet nowadays offers a whole lot of business opportunities which you can actually have a very rewarding and fulfilling experience with. Whether you want to use, the internet opportunities for a part-time job or you want to use it as a full career. Okay, welcome back to my channel. I'm Francis Eze and I'm all about teaching you how to make money online and every other thing that concerns making money online. And if this is your first time of coming to this channel, you are super welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, you're also very much welcome. And I would like you to like this video, subscribe and click the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop top content like this on how to make money online, you would be among the first to be notified. Okay, so oftentimes new technologies coming up every day get being blamed, for taking so many jobs away from many persons. But this same new technology provides so many business and job opportunities online for anybody to take advantage of. Now, starting online business nowadays takes little to nothing to get started. All you just need is your phone, your laptop, and an internet connection. And in some cases, you may not even need any capital to get started with. Okay, and in some other case, even if you are going to need capital, it's going to be very, very small amount. Okay, and all you just have to do is to have an idea or have business ideas or proven or easy to start online business ideas that you can just get started with. And that's what today's video is going to be all about. I'm going to put you through 7 easy to start and proven online businesses that will make you as much money as possible. Okay, before we get right into it, I would like you to pay attention to the point number 5 and the point number 7 because they are so much high in demand and you can start with little or nothing. You can get started with that particular number 5 and number 7 without investing anything or putting in any capital. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. The first one is become an SEO expert or specialist. SEO simply means search engine optimization, and this is SEO helps businesses, brands, and individuals, let's say they are businesses, so to say, to get as many visitors or traffic to their business or to their website or to their blog or to their brand through search engine. Okay, and you can actually become a search engine expert by taking several courses out there online. Most of these courses are free and they come with free certification as well. And when you must have become this specialist, you can either run your own SEO agency, or you work as a freelancer, or you work with a brand or a business as a full-time staff. Then the next one is run a food or cooking niche or blog. Meanwhile, SEO experts are very, very much high in demand nowadays. Okay, so don't sleep on that. So right to the next one, running a food or cooking blog. Actually, this is a very, very lucrative niche because people are making tons and tons of money. There is so much and infinite business opportunity in this particular cooking and food niche. Okay, you can actually, though one very important thing here is that you need to have passion for it because there are so many persons in this niche, and all you just have to do to stand out is to find a particular niche or an angle to attack this particular food or cooking and experience or ideas or content that you want to give out to your audience. And how to make money from this particular online business is very, very simple. You can go on with so many affiliate programs. There are so many cookbooks, recipes, spices that are out there that you can actually run affiliates on and make as much money as possible. You can actually develop your own product. You can also develop your own content, cookbook, recipe book, and all that. And you can also develop diet plans, which so many persons are willing to pay you and get those content and value from you. Okay, so right to the third one, which is become a graphics designer. Graphics designer help businesses, brands, and individuals to create images, banners, content, and so many graphic content. Okay, so and all you have to do is to take 1 or 2 online courses, and those courses we just have to focus majorly on Adobe Photoshop and so many other tools that can actually help you as a graphics designer to have as much skill which you need as possible. And also nowadays there are so many platforms that actually makes things easier. Platforms like Canva.com, Poster My Wall, this platform, you don't have to be a genius graphic designer for you to get started with. And also the way you can make money with this is, just like I mentioned earlier, you can actually have your own agency, graphic designing agency, where you help businesses and brands to create logo, design, banner, and all that. Then also you can work as a freelancer, and you can work with a company as a full-time staff. Okay, so right to the next one, which is start a fashion blog. If you are a fashion enthusiast that is so much in love with trending fashion, new outfits, and all that, you could actually have your own fashion blog. And this is very wonderful because fashion blogs actually, or fashion websites actually, attract high brands, like top fashion brands, and there are tons and lots of paid advertisement that go on in this particular niche. Okay, all you just have to do is to have an angle to what you actually do for your fashion blog. What angle do you tackle the whole fashion mindset or the whole fashion business from? You have to have your own angle, because you don't have to do what every other person is doing, because it's actually a highly competitive niche as well. So find an angle and attack it very well. There is so much paid promotion that comes in here. There's so much way you can actually make money. You can give tips and advice on how to dress and so many other things. Okay, right to the next one, which is the number 5. And like I told you earlier, pay so much attention to this, and this is become a content marketer. Content marketer actually help businesses to promote their products and services by generating useful and highly engaging content. As you already know, many businesses need content to keep both their current customers and their potential customers engaged. Okay, and the whole content marketer stuff are high in demand. So content marketers all over the world are high in demand, and if you could have this skill, or you could start an online business around content marketing or generating content marketing for businesses, that's a very huge gold mine. Okay, so let's get to the next one, which is become a lead generation expert or a lead generating expert. Okay, and what do lead generation experts do? They help businesses to get both potential customers and new traffic to new leads to their businesses or to their brand. And this is another high in demand online business you can build your online business around, or you can get this skill and build an online business on this niche actually. And there are lots and lots of money to be made when it comes to lead generation, because every business, every brand out there need new leads and new customers to keep coming in, so they can generate as much sales as possible. And to be a lead generation expert is actually not a rocket science. Go out there online. There are so many offline programs and there are so many online programs to actually learn how to use all the necessary tools, something like the autoresponders, the landing pages and all that, to learn how to generate leads for businesses and start making lots and lots of money. Okay, then the next one, which is number 7, I actually ask you to pay attention to the number 7. Okay, I know you've paid attention to number 5. So coming to number 7, that's make a review blog or a review website. This particular online business idea has been selling over the years. Okay, let's take for instance, there is this review website which is known as TripAdvisor. TripAdvisor currently is estimated to be worth as much as $11 billion. What do? They simply give reviews and give advices about several locations, maybe holiday locations and relaxation spots and all that. And let's come right home. Look at review blogs like Niger Tech Guy that does reviews about phones and other technologies in Nigeria. He's been making money since 2012, 2013 up to this moment. And look at other review blogs like Review Niger and others that are making tons and tons of money. So if you can actually have a blog or a website that does review, all you just need to do is look for a niche that is high in demand with low competition. Start making reviews about products on that niche. And how you can make money is actually very simple. Make a review, have an affiliate program whereby if you make a review on a particular product, you can actually, drop the link for those that want to buy the product, and you make lots and lots of money. The more reviews you make, the more chances you have to make as much money as possible. And also, companies, businesses, and brands pay you to review their product. Okay, and you can actually sell your merch, your some printables and all that, for customers or for people that resonate with your brand so well. Okay, so making a review blog, a review website is another gold mine. In fact, it's been proven over and over again to sell as much as possible. So it's now left for you to hop right into that and start making as much money as possible. I hope in this video so far you've been able to learn the 7 proven and easy to start online business ideas which can make you as much money as possible. But remember, don't always fall victim for people that will tell you to bring in huge amounts of money and start raking in success overnight. It doesn't work. Online business doesn't work like that. You need to put in as much effort as possible, and you need to put in that work. Do your due diligence, put in the work, be consistent and be patient. Believe in your craft and believe in what you are doing, and it's going to come out fine. Anybody telling you that you can actually put in some money here in an online business and cash out tomorrow or start making millions of naira or millions of dollars the next day is absolute lie. They just want to scam you. So now that you know the online 7 proven and easy to start businesses, all you just have to do is to get started, get consistent, and start raking in some good money. Okay, so having been with me in this video up to this moment, I wish to thank you, and I still indulge you to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop out content like this on how to make money online, you will be among the first to be notified. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.